Nililala chali nikaota ndoto, mji wa Mombasa umeshika moto. Nalilala chali nikaota ndoto.
Better with the mushrooms, Rainbow Ridge Kenejani kufugia ndege gani ni dhaijire sheruki rishia tuikandaika 13. Karibu sana mutegeri wa Weru TV turi live kuma Weru FM 96.4 na ntuke naro turenda kuharire mantu jegi biashara, lakini mbere tumba kwa tuwe kuintroduce ra mugeni wetu wankure mantu jegi banki ya NCBA nontoboe kura kagite negaka uchumi ngarama ya uturo ni teti mushiari na kuangangana na BC Bills hapa na pale na yo Januari teube kura turiongere wote na account tukurugurere account kwewe na account yeku dormant tumbe kotha tuwe activated account yeje kienda ningi umba kwithiro gikenera zero monthly fees kune kuga wekira mbeche cia kutha age ngiri 5 kire savings account weta next month gwita kana kuongera ukethira ngiri 5 cia kwire intact oria batina charges cia omweri ne bethiritwe bakiwivira mumero na kinyamu thikiria ndene ya Kenya kienda ningi gutigira riba gwetere nagwe na gugusupport gwe mu Kenya kagita gaka ngarama ya utoro itete bonene.
Ile kirokete ndaki ya 14 karibu sana kiri Weru FM 96.4 mubango na chanchamo karuare tunaenda kwitwa tukiariria mantu yegie biashara na nimbo tutwe na CEO wa Chamber of Commerce Rwangirwa Meru bwana Kiogora Mboya akethwa itueleza nkuluki nimbio Chamber of Commerce. What is it? Nonto I am sure kirengo echi yaku wetete na mbere na mantu yaku oraibwa somewhere Chamber of Commerce. Karibu sana bwana Kiogora. Thank you very much. Nonto botona kanyaru kirorwari. It's a beautiful Monday. Bere buru ambirino kethia mumero no twire Chamber of Commerce imbi na ngwe yayo niriko.
Asante bwana Martin na Karimi, my sister here.
Yes.
Igwega kanju kia kanyagaka o kethia amero o narabure nambuge Weru ni kureta Weru Meru yonde na Kenya yonde na itukugwirwa nontu bwa ngugira fakulita ndene ya county na inya national wide.
Asante.
Mbita wa Kiogora Mboi na mbitagira Chamber of Commerce and Industry mbitharonde the CEO in charge na tukaendelea kubwa redia Chamber of Commerce and Industry ni mbithithagia na gitumi gia kwithirwa uri mu member wa Chamber of Industry and Commerce na ontubwa benefits iria chumanagia na kwithirwa uri mu member wa Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Na bwana Mbui, Chamber of Commerce na Industry maybe kire mumiru twere imbio yongwa.
Chamber of Commerce and Industry ni kiama kia wanabiashara na ni kiama kiri nthiguru yonde. Chamber of Commerce and Industry iri ndene ya 177 countries in the world na iri ndene ya Kenya na every county kuina chapters, chapters. This is ni Meru chapter, Chamber of Commerce and Industry, na ni kiama kia wanabiashara kureta wanabiashara amwe na ningi ku mantu jartu dirajo mono ni gintu gita advocacy, training, kureta wanabiashara amwe ku make sure ba kweja amwe na ba imenyithania bongwa na bethro bena kanya ka ku make sure biashara ciao ikumenyekana. Itu organizaga gintu ja exhibitions, itu organizaga dinners, business dinners. Janande we have a serious upcoming dinner ya wanabiashara ndene ya Meru County. We turimita the Meru community business dinner. Na tuketha tuina serious speaker uria tukabumenyithia as we move on. So Chamber of Commerce is a very important organization. It's a non-profit making organization. na twina mutongeria wetu structure ya Chamber of Commerce. We have a president, a national president. To Dr. Ruto, lakini Ruto jo
President.
the president. To Dr. Ruto is a medical doctor. Na noe president wa chamber. Na kwena chairman wa every chapter or every county. Na Jameru Nandi, we have our chairman, jao itawa Joshua Mungania, urea wichikena monoja Arroyo, is a serious man, a business entrepreneur, and noe chairman wetu, na twina directors, 9 of them representing every constituency. Kwa Nyambena, we have a director. Every constituency kuna a director. So we have 9 of them, led by the chairman. Na union structure, area Chamber of Commerce, in terms of leadership. Then, obishishia tu miro acha shida roshiri NHF building. Tureu NHF building, first floor. Okay, jau ugatwedra. Na tukakweresa benefits chia kwithirwa uri mumemba wa Chamber of Commerce and Industry cha mubiashara. Yes.
So Chamber of Commerce kiokorania a biashara bani ni akika na undi na kioski yako nyana mbuku mekiri Chamber of Commerce na okay kwithwa ngo kumakiri Chamber of Commerce, how do I benefit ya mubiashara ni baitere kunkona kwithwa ndiri mumemba wa Chamber of Commerce ndina ka biashara akwa.
Yeah. Chamber of Commerce mbere yari jaundi muni India high school na college indaigo wa Chamber of Commerce na ando big names like kina Chris Kirubi indaigo abayego wetu and all that na twadwana ya Chamber of Commerce ni those business moguls but Chamber of Commerce ni muntu wonde mwana biashara o munene no munini you wina kanya ka kwithira wi mumemba wa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Nonto ituko recognize na ngugi yetu mono ni ko make sure biashara shigukura. No gataga moto yetu yugaga growing our business together. So Chamber of Commerce and Industry to accommodate mwana biashara wonde o munini medium o munene ponde they have a space in Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
So how do I benefit?
Sorry.
Benefits ogatona kwa Chamber of Commerce in the bwambere ukethra wina kanya ga gucemania na wana biashara bangi rira tuthitie micemanio ya gucemania amwe kenda bo exchange contact nonto bwa chemania na wana biashara bangi jaria tu in exhibition we make sure we have a space ya omuntu akanenkerwa ga stand kawe okomba go showcase products ciaku na services ciaku okauga imbio thithaia na wana biashara bangi bakona imbio thithaia na gokona imbi bathithaia na ibo komba ku exchange contact na bokomba kwirana ne atabomba gukuria biashara cienu nkuruki na antu bakomba kuja kuriungira na bakamenya ino we located na bakamenya witagwa atia biashara ku yitagwa atia bakona product ciaku kwina benefit ingi ja trainings ito trainaga members betu mantu jegie tax returns we ito trainaga members betu mantu jegie customer service to trainaga antu betu mantu jegie business generally how to market your product and make them visible. Yeah. Non turemo wamba kwithira wena biashara no kithira otikumenya ne atia umba kumenyithia antu imbio kuthithia na ne atabamba kumenya inauri nae ituthithia forums cha kuritana wana biashara how to do business profitably. So twina partners bara tu dara tu nabo janande twina partners bagwito jinue program bagutetheria wana youth. By the way, tutethetie a youth baba ingi mono, Martin na Karimi. Ito train it a youth right now over almost 2,000 youth, yes, in Meru County, within a span of 2-3 months, through Jinue program, twina officer withero ari ubishine wa urungamirite Jinue program, iria ifinance biashara hizi SMEs, biashara inini, na kwina category ijiri, wa mumemba kwina individual membership. Wamba kutonya na ngiri, wamba kutonya na 2,500, wamba wemu youth ngiri, wamba kutonya na 2,000 as an individual, wamba kutonya na 5,000 as a registered business, na biashara ja SACCOs na SMEs, shitonya na ngiri thano. That is annual subscription. Na kwina those now big companies, kana big institutions, ja universities, big banks, itonya na ngiriegana. Na those benefits are there. Or Jinue in a category ya kuma mbecha ira partners betu bakomba kwa wanabiashara ni especially a youth. Program we diro na youth bakuma 35 years and below. But nandi we category enge ya kuma kodroli over 35 now in a registered business. Okoba kum benefit na loan ya kuma 200,000 mwanka 14 million. And
wachokeria
ogachokeria na kwena vira bikuyenda kana of course ora banki yegwetia but this product share these youth otukio kunindi kunenkanira no just nothing. I mean you just give your name and
you're good.
Yeah.
Bwana CEO, now that nigo wiri kone no interact na biashara baba bonde ba Meru akatotegerea biashara kana biashara generally chitete ate na maybe challenges iri go bagu face currently no tukumantuje economy najo there's so much a pro out there.
Yeah. Kwina a lot of challenges generally orea economy kuonekali ndene Kenya. The economy ni shrinkite. I mean everybody kakulira na Meru ti exceptional. Abiashara bonde abakulira na ukedra nyanduka ishingi ukedra antu kinyambe shira bakuromba okaigwa mbeshira bakuromba inyantu bare ko expect baromba mbeche nyingi bare romba tubesha tuninta kuthithia tumanto tunini na ebate kwenda manto ja manene kenda kibomba go survive na kinyokona na antu baromba okona kwina challenge okaigwa antu bena challenge ya kurea mbeche ire na ningi ukethra rimwe kwina very unhealthy competition. You know, industries shina internal competition. And then to economic with very poor, or rather within a saturation in the country or even in the county. Okay, there are more in a very unhealthy competition. Na inya standards cha biashara ikenama. For example, hospitality industry is a very ni industry mwe very key. Na Meru, by the way, itotharimi na hospitality.
Sure.
Na itukunindi we position better. Jogeta na Ivasha, I mean, nya trikale ya kuthithia mishemanio. Wiga wana na Ivasha. Na Meru is a destination for hospitality. Na non tupali mwepo this unhealthy competition or the more hoteli shomba koloa standards ina ntubwa bwa kwithira mbeche iteo na nande antu bo compete kuona customers they might bomba kuloa standards chiao na nande kinyage ni baria tuko expect beja ba high class beja ba kedra rimwe standards ire china mere no ntume no kwenda kuchindana na ule ongi no ntu bwichindanira customer bakai ya bwichindanira customer bakai nande nya standards ikena ma bana hoteli rimwe kedra kwedra yo kali high class, I mean 4-star or something kwedra gwitu tuti gwitania maybe standards kwina roko whatever so kwina challenges inyingi irachi wanabiashara bokurukira na ndu bakwaga mbesha in circulation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bona kiogora without ukaraka tumba kwitho tuikaira siasa biashara ene mtu no achuria atiri now that kwina kiuthurano kikana ngwataniro ya biashara kumenyekana ya Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Is there a way maybe thirikari yumbo tethia both national kana county, let's say for example county ya Meru, is there a way kana kwiyonjira yo thirikari ya county yumba kwithira yetetha cia either mu biashara kana kinyangwataniro ya Chamber of Commerce kwiyopa ukumira kiri mantu ya
actually tubiri kwina ministry ya trade and industry.
Yes.
Both at national and county level. We should be working closely together. But at times ukono no ndo challenges ukono o chireo tutiko mbarimwe kuonana na tukarande guru to agree uria challenges ici go face mwananchi cha biashara ibwiri gukara na nande Chamber of Commerce and Industry by the way is a revamped phase na itukwenda go create forums na both county and national government na twina forums chia kwariria ni atatomba go improve biashara chia antubeto both at the county level and the national level.
Are you like ibu involve wa for example ita county kwenda wikira mauria ya either levies kana taxes kana kinyama uria ya license ita zaita je business license permits. Are you like involved ni bora chua kwedrwa how much are we supposed to charge kana biashara bati kwedrwa ikiri chua ata ibu ethwa bori involved radically kubwethia mantu ya both finance act kana finance bills chia national kana county governments
and that is where the challenge is. Na nikioto mankwera Chamber of Commerce and Industry previously in Meru, ambaliria Meru, ne rare a bit passive. Terege kana mono. But now to in a leadership, a very serious leadership, and tobacco lead by word and example. Wana biashara successful. Nabako menya biashara wiri kudere kariate. Itukwenda kuambiria ku create avenues na relationship na county government kenda tuomba kwa every decision bako dhidhia wanabiashara voice yao ni kuigekana na ndo sheria hii kudhidwa ishi directly cha ku affect na ipa bwiri kwa pena voice na voice yao nio represented ya ni National Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Na kambuge kote tokia involved no kulika last time kuirokurari. I think our chairman was here sometimes back issuing a press statement. Kwari na appointment shadide to county government shiredro ita involve ita wanabiashara. There was no participation. Na wanabiashara bata involve itwe through Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Na chairman wetu na other leaders iba issue a statement. I think they were here. And bara barapinga manto jau ja appointment yu chiathithitwe na county government ibombere kuthikira na gavana wetu arategera manto jau kaira ara review na turathithia buria that appointment, those appointments chira revoked na mawitha jara twae genere Chamber of Commerce and Industry jara jokua na wana biashara bara represented. So like one of our directors is in that board, Mr. Rukunga, Rukunga Antara Ezri Hotel is one of our directors, and he's part of that board, and we are deliberate. Itokwenda to create a relationship with our county government, kenda every decision it will affect mwana biashara licenses kinyabo ibabwiri ko bena se yakuga nontu ibaba mbeche ibaba go create this well ko ibabwiri ko edra bena input ya bomba ko bena input inya gutetheria bakomba inya kuria licenses inya mbeche nyingi tiga ya bomba kuthugania aba jita kuthithia bura kenda bare mbeche inkai but bomba kweja bakaeja na ideas inya ora bomba kuongera those revenues tina sare gwitithia but somehow ora bomba ko collect mbeche with easiness na ikethero inye kiongaira kigina getu ke county ukethera kwina mbeche nyingi nkurukiria to collect right now.
Very well. Yeah. So okweta mantu ya economic withdraw it is sawa. Now you know I watch movies especially here American na some of them kanenya documentaries kile documentaries hizi miakene ya 70s miakene ya 80s miakene ya early 90s bado biashara no baua uchumi bodhoki bado no bakuwa biashara ni kudhoka na kutena employment so seems like every new year kana waburato weta I think no mando weta ya
mandena ku revive
yeah so where are we going nina atweterete wene nde mutaalamu wa manto ya biashara what is the future of the economy how would you say uwa tweterete atea twitkanina atwetete economy wise
mbera kambuge kwegintu gitawa much skills with a job or rather much qualification shamuntu na position irae kintu kira kiurite ndene ya utongeria bwetu both at national and county tutekuga kunde but at times ukethera kwethera ni mantu ya economy finance minister kana muntu ule okudiro na mantu ya tuseme human resource marketing ebwiri kunenkerwa antu baraba thomerete utaramu bu nikenda kwethera kwina kiramenya karimigi tomatu eta skuru
ima
yeah tuteta kuthoma kenda tutithira theory ikenda to apply knowledge ira to acquire skuru na ndinama tukomba kunenkera experts these positions na experts bena integrity ne ndinama tuka change narrative yewu ya kwithirwa igitare onde kuga biashara ichithuki inkuthugania kintu kira tukunid ne kunenkera antu bena integrity na expertise ku run institutions chetu na you can be sure we will do a turn around onto every institution kana ndiguru rises and falls on the leadership, the success. It rises and falls on the leadership of that institution, of even a country. So I think it's all about it. About again, kiri mantuja leadership. Toka change your leadership na toka yakira men and women, bena integrity. You know, corruption. Let's say corruption has been cancer. Biashara actually. Tukomba kodiro na moniste wito corruption inyatu ameridus kiasi. Nda kwera we have ndiguru yetu ni ntongo mono.
Wena solution no kana idwanira uratumba kudhiria corruption because
seems like it's not
as you said the cancer.
Ikansa ne aringikura ibo babwiri go change na gukera kwina civic education ya kuritana aringikura bombe kuringira muntu uria okubanengera magana jairi kana ka whatever no ntuje gukare on tuku jadri lakini ukaringira muntu wina integrity ntako integrity na Kimeru muntu kwa wina uma na mituwe mega tukomba kuringira antu jabau kura both county level na national level kinya biashara cietu igeta bwega nontu bakomba kwithira bena utongeria bwega na mbeca cietu ikamanage bwega ciete in the rightful resources. I mean citumiro bwega na cirita ngugi bwega na twithira twina baita nontu ukeja kwithirwa kinya uwa wengwa biashara eneku utina integrity mbuga mbeca irio ukuthithia bro utina discipline cia biashara kwa thori jukia wathiria wainga ngugi ukoro uringa ngugi ukoro kabaita kare okugwete kageta ukethira muntu nakinyite stu kana icitere ngugi ni rite baterie na ina mwanka twithira twina leadership ina integrity na no mwanka twithira tutuganie turi aringi kura ne atia tumba guchenjia tukaringira kura antu baria bena tabia injega na gukira murungu
maybe Bwana Mboi, county ya Meru ni county mwethire tuina some very high octane politics for some years, maybe miaka wiri actually kutari na kutithiro tukuna stability mono untu bubu ibubu affected directly za biashara na naya tebubu affected
sana bad politics, bad business eu utina unaberega bitekanire tu amwe at the joints at the hip bad politics, bad business anonto jana ndio kona jamero menye tudrito twina siasa kuma tukudhurana tudrito twina siasa ake kutro tuona kanya ka gukarandi as leaders na turi Meru tukarandi tumba kuga atiri ina Meru yumite na ina turi na ina twitite menya tutumba kuria tutire ya siasa hari we don't need politics tureja biashara kubaitania mbesha. By the way, kinya aciari betu na aria bari mana ambi ire biashara tungondu tuguku ng'ombe you know ire business na nya Kenya National Chamber of Commerce ni in a space ya antubau ya arimi so atokuga kenda tuchenjia biashara no mwanka tuchenjie politics chetu tuone kanya kare kalindas gukaramwe na go take time gukarande goro na go plan na go execute that plan kenda antu betu ba Meru na Kenya bomba gutetheka.
So mantino ya siasa kiogura warari etore nubu etwa Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Ntiwete kia Meru itwere akuona industry encharo. Na thai kintu kira kikurea arimi ni kwithirwa ati produce chio kana maketha yo yamwe kaya kuorera kinya nchukuine chio kana bakendia na mauria ya moru because kutena industry kinya yo babwithiria value addition. You know, murimi ariri makenda ona baita na arenda kuona baita maximum profit. Kuke ya kwithirwa maybe kwena, say for example, kwena ithibia metu mereji kukethro kurina kithi kingi keria murimi kinya kethro kinya ena option ya naraka endia yake kana mpempechi yake kukethro kurina that bukando da ni kwandwa sana kukethro kurina kithi kya kuthia mauta kuma kiri bukando or something else
value addition.
Value addition kukethro kwina kithi kya nkandamia somewhere kenza na kidheo na so this Chamber of Commerce and Industry how are you helping maybe either kuchwa investors kana kinya kwaranirira thirikari because thirikari ina better how are you helping either a biashara ba kana kinyari because you are a Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Thank you Martin. Kiuria gikiaga muno. Na kire strategic plan yetu mantu jau joto capchite. Na actually ntariki kenda chia April. Tuina muchamane jo munene jwa World Chamber of Commerce and Industry ejeta Kenya. Na tukethra tuina investors bakuma all over the world bejeta Kenya. Manto ja mbuga bujonete ndene India yo bujonete jakiarirwa. Na Chamber of Commerce and Industry their network te Kenya ke internationally tuka invite tuka network wanabiashara ba Kenya na wanabiashara ba ndiguru ingi China, US ino tukinyabo bena kiama gyao kya Chamber of Commerce and Industry na byama bibingi bya ndiguru wingi ibyo byejete ntariki kenda Nairobi tukara tuina kia enyomera nene muno muchema ni jo kuleta wanabiashara ba ndiguru yonde nteko menya kwa I think newa ya mbere kwithwa I mean kuleta Chamber of Commerce and Industry and then ya Kenya na most likely even Africa nande kanya gaka iko tukwenda gutumira na many other opportunities ira tukwenda go create kenda tuchwira arimi betu opportunities chia nara bomba gwikia into biao na tio baikiria into biao bi role nonto Martin na karimi challenge ira tuineo as a leadership ne kwethra tutikomba kutongeria kana tumba kuchinjia ka kwa advice arimi betu ka tuika mbecha kire industries ira chumba kuongera value kire intobibi arimi baba kulima kenda tumbo biendia vina value nene anto atwendia intobiria biro bieta vi processorwa nara China kana nangi tuchoka twenderwa kairi na no kawa kara getu okara tuku okara tuku magaja and by the way this coffee milling KPCU bakuthithia ngugi injaga muno very that is a step in the right direction. Turenda to Chamber of Commerce and Industry Meru itukwenda create forums cha kuleta wanabiashara amwe na batwe ideas na tubaretere investors bakuma ome China, US, Britain, tuchemania tuone tubaretere investors bora bomba kwija bage-establish industry nontu Meru ni tharimi na agriculture. I think in Kenya ntije kwa kwende kurungi thonginya Meru ni Meru I've traveled tutembete na Meru ni tharimi na agriculture wise kuma mira gwita nkano buri kwija kawa deje yani murungu atu eduite yeah, we both in the mountain na tuli in the semi-arid weja ng'ombe tuinacho weja into bibi nandi tukomba kuleta industries na yeu nio one of our mandates kuleta investors baraba ka establish industries kutharani industry chia avocado ja governor kiraito kwiro ari Kirinyamere wali na idea ya kuongera value mbio imarigo yeah there was that kind of yes na inkuromba kinya leadership yetu ya Governor Kawira na ministry we ya trade and industry bakomba go to involve na tukomba ku network amwe tukona ora tumba kuleta investors nonto investors be ready ku invest nonto ibakona ni viable nonto already raw materials zero na labor cheap so it's a matter of go process those product tukandi value na murimi akona even times 10 rengi ndari ndo baindethire avocado ikenda gwa avocado imwe ikenda gwa shilingi 223 yes
asingo
avocado
na nagaikara mundene
kuringano kugererwa Nyamere kuro
yeah. So together the other day na nkona that you could take the list time over together the other day bwana Kiogora nombirire Chamber of Commerce ibukwambiria sako
absolutely yeah
ni ya kila mtu kana ni ya biashara yake
thank you Martin itu kwambiria turajira gutaka turi Chamber of Commerce and Industry Meru twari araisi mwana biashara atesako yawe atonya sako ira kona mwana biashara adra police sako adra wakulima sako we erere kwinwe ni ageta rugure account mwana biashara wengwa atisako yawe nandi Chamber of Commerce and Industry iturambiririe sako by February together tukwambiria will be hitting the ground running together tukwambiria ku receive monthly contributions na iretwa Chamber Biashara Sako. Chamber Biashara Sako ne mwana biashara wonde o munini no o munene. Chamber Biashara Sako is the business people sako na tu ina product be jamu ajo bishara akere so product very friendly na tuketha tu ina tukathirinya AGM kenda tu ina input ya wana biashara ora bakwenda ya itongerwa
ya mbere turikia maybe Martin kidogo ambe kuthorokia advice mu biashara kana mtoro tuthikirite na idea biashara na kwenda maybe gutonya in the business world umba kuthorokia mwira ate now that ugo ina no interact na ntu baba na wewe in experience you a fresh person
mbere janande muntu kwenda kwambiria biashara kuna factors janande economy kaliu mbere no mwanka otegere wone ni mbeche ibiashara iriku ikwenda mbeche ira umba kwa afford or rather umba kumanage kuona kintu kingi umba gutegera ni imbi fast moving na ata umba gochiathorana tugenya tukatha inguo ne nguo ukuthithia borea ukwenda kwendia na kurugura biashara engu na china antu baba ingi obwire gochuria ne ata umba gochiathorana na mwendia ule onge wangu. What can you do differently? Yeah. Kile marketing to differentiation. Ora omba guchathurana na mubiashara onge kenda withdraw unique. Very good. Withdraw unique na wa attract customers. Gintu kingi i positioning. Yeah. Ni ata omba go position product chako. Yeah. Na Chamber of Commerce tuliona onto bwa kutrain mwana biashara wonte okwenda kwambiria biashara o tu train ata omba kwambiria biashara ito kwenda kwambiria kintu gigwitwa business incubation center aria tukethara twina experts bakuma every field, lawyers, medical doctors, na tukethara twina website wejo okalogin tukethara twina ontuko na mathaa jareo ja kwethera challenge chia kwambiria biashara inacio tukethara twina a serious business person, kwethera mantu medical tukethara twina doctor on our panel, ukatonya ukeja either physically yeah kana inya online ukaritana no chokero biuria byaku bionde bira ukari na thina nabyo. Yeah, business incubation centers.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Next time ukilipa lakini
Yeah.
Eto wako akanya yo tuire sapoti
Atu chote ndio.
Sasawa.
Thank you so much bwana Kiogora.
Yes.
Tubakuona akanya na kwitha kwaranira na Mumiru na ingwitikia muthikiri ukwithirwo kila mantu jarije thatu muno jamantu zegi biashara gaturekire no ntubotha cie tumutegeri tugushokera rutiro rungi